Hello friends, I am Dr Srikanth Goggi, licensed clinical psychologist and NLP master practitioner and of course hypnotherapist. I've been practicing neuro-linguistic programming NLP for the last 20 years with great success. Now I'm going to organize a workshop which is happening on 10th to 14th December 2020 online through Zoom platform. So in this powerful workshop which is happening on 10th, you're going to learn very ultimate techniques to access the powerful states of mind. The states of mind that we call alpha. How to get into that state and how to have the power to connect with your past resources or your strengths that you already have. And you're going to learn the techniques how to detect the patterns of human behavior, how to assess whether a person is visual perceiver, auditory perceiver, or kinesthetic perceiver. So you talk that kind of language pattern to connect with the person instantaneously and develop rapport instantaneously so that you can have successful sales, negotiation, marketing, of course, healthy and very effective relationship. You're also going to learn the body language, how to see expertly, how to hear expertly, and how to sense things, and how to connect and persuade people at the unconscious level, and how to influence people so that you can make master sales, marketing, and you can also be a successful leader. And you're going to learn the techniques of self-anchoring, and how to use it in public speaking, presentation, communication skills, floor anchoring, so that wherever you go, people start raising their hands. Whenever you say something, people nod their head and all that. So you can create the personal magnetism or charisma through the anchoring practice. Anchoring is basically the conditioned key responses. So you are going to hit the right button of the people at the right time. NLP is going to teach you powerful techniques of circle of excellence so that you can become a successful public speaker or a good presenter, or you can be a great leader on the platform. And you are also going to learn techniques of accessing your powerful strengths and resources from your past, connect now in the present, so that when you can have that self-confidence or concentration or the kind of strength that you want at that moment. And you can also use this anchoring process and access the resources and connect to the future events so that you can set your goals and objectively get it. You're going to learn so many powerful techniques of communication, persuasion, visual phrases, hypnotic language patterns, so that you become successful go-getter in your life. So my dear friends, these are all things you are going to learn all practically online with Srikanth Goggi, the licensed clinical psychologist and master practitioner of NLP. Meeting you on 10. Please press this button and subscribe and register for the workshop right now. It is in the moments of your decisions you shape up your life. So see you on 10th December 2020 online. Thank you.